Hi everyone, welcome back to the day 3 of learning digital art. So today we will go over the simple steps of the illustration process. There are 4 steps to creating a good illustration. So first one is fill the base colors. Let's start with the first step, filling the base color. So here's the sketch we will be working on. So first we will reduce the opacity of this sketch layer, lock it and create a new layer for our new artwork. Here's the color palette we will use. Let's start by filling the background with this color, with this blue color, and locking it so we can draw without moving it. So first select the orange color and draw the deer. Simply draw and fill the color as you prefer, based on your convenience. I have changed its color to a lighter tone. Next, draw a circle and then we will proceed to draw the leaves. One by one, we will draw all the leaves using pen tool. Once we are done with the leaves, we will draw their lines like this. After completing the first step, we move on to the second step, adding shadow and highlights. So let's start by adding the shadow first. Okay, the shadow part on the leaves is done. Now we will add highlights to the leaves. For the highlights, we always use a lighter shade of the color. So we have successfully added highlights and shadow to the leaves. Now let's do the same for the deer. I'm adding a gradient to make the deer look more appealing, but you can skip the gradient and use flat, simple colors if you prefer. Next, you know what to do. Just add shadows to the deer like we did with the leaves. Then we will add a gradient of brown and orange to the deer's legs. After finishing the shadow, we will draw the deer's eye. Now we will add another black shadow to the deers to give it more depth. You can skip this step if you want, but adding it will make your artwork look even better. The second step is done. The third step is to add details. So we will start by adding them. Let's begin with the print on the deer's back. The color will be a lighter shade of the deer's base color. The same color will also be applied to certain parts of the deer's body, such as ears, neck, legs, and tail. time to add details to the leaves. So let's do that first. Once we complete the third part, we will move on to the fourth and final step, finalizing the illustration. This means adding any missed details like drawing lines on the deers to complete it. If we need to adjust the colors, refine shapes, or add new elements to enhance the overall look, we will do that in the last step. Like I'm adding some lines to the deer, and believe me, it will look amazing. After that, we will add dots on the leaves and around them. So here is the final look. We created this amazing vector art by following just 4 simple steps. So what do you think, guys? Let us know in the comments and share if you found it helpful. We'll be back next week with more tips and new concepts. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for future updates. Thanks for watching.